This is the cowboy here in our village, Bantor Langteng Valley or village Sokmenting. The kids taking care of the herds and the adult. Akwalang chirup chirup of the harvest season, everyone. We will miss this view once the paddy had been harvested. Nabda akban ni the langam jai langam gilok ni Bantor la rim katang yo kita. This is our kaba, everyone. Yes, compared to other area, but the rhythm, the valley of other states, the output is low. Our place is being a hilly region and mountainous soil. Yeah, able to sustain supply trees. My goodness, hey, that part. It's trembling here. 360 degrees is black now. Only that portion left. Yeah, we could see it's gathering. Boom. Yud, latap yud. See. Thay serang lut ring benanya wakarem. Apte ni tela. Liwan na tu. Liwan, kap. Kerkang na tu. Finally, the Bhai Saab is arriving. That side you could see black, and there was a lightning strike just now. That was like a joke. You could see here the sound, the rain hit the tin sheet. Oh my goodness. Listen to the sound. Thunderstorm. The kedur. The yaren. Mapre. I believe I got that. Or lagega thumb. Another light, another drum. Okay. I'm three in the hill. Here it comes, brothers. Here it comes. The rain. The autumn rain. Look at that side. It's so white and black. Slap Lappro, Lappro, one Peninsula. It will be for an hour or two. Heavy showers, so that all those unripe corn will get ripe. They will be harvested. It is so heavy and thick black as you can see. It's given warning for the past an hour, so now it comes. Kan nyo flap ko he harus terkait resep ko bagi lok cakat ini nai. Pria lai far em buat untuk projek ta sana ko bagi lok dang yen ar tempat ko. Kata ni do si pan ko sirkom kata king ko. Cerong saya pagi tu di slap warna ayo bikin lain ko terbaik ko baik lagi nai. Kata rawan pria. Sep ko bagi lok kam ni na. Kata ni do sibaj wan galer sirkom mate kalanyo do pria sok do be. Ka slap Lappro Ther ka kam mate bana top pagadai ka hidala yovit. Da he ko. Kam na top hier ko he wala air. Wai bu prian tu. Bila hello. Oh, ini lah tempat kau kan. Kubuan dah je. Oh, pada Trep lah Khyndang kau. Kadoi lah he, hak dah ada sum ngata ni soslap, porat dang dom. Cikut itu. Wai belai gerat mahuslap, sirukam hagala air. Dah pilih lok, butuh tu. Hak hor bi kubau kau. Waktu wadang yen lah sempat lut ko. Tem lah kerwit lut tu galer. Kuba lah lah he dap lut yo hi pentia sar nanti. Kerwit kan ni toh hak bu amro pat bi Khyndang khelek puli. Bonare rai lut san. Kuba lang rap suk hi ni. Nawan kata dia destroy in its part. Toh Đậu men rồi còn giọt ở đây rồi. Anh khô ya bang ya. This is the autumn rain, everyone. Its power and its devastations.